Hi, my name is Dr. David Austern, and I'm a psychologist here at the NYU Military Family Clinic. I've been working here since the beginning of October 2016, and before this I worked at the Baltimore VA in the PTSD program, and before that I worked at Rutgers University's Veterans Program, where I worked with veterans and their family members. I've also worked at some hospitals like New York Presbyterian, where I worked in the Anxiety Disorders Program. And so I want to talk to you guys about a specific type of therapy that's called exposure therapy. And what this is a really helpful way to get over any kind of a feared situation, anything that you've been avoiding. And what we do is, in a very safe, gradual, structured way, we help you get over these fears. When I work with veterans, this can often be really helpful in dealing with PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. After people experience trauma, they often want to avoid any kind of a situation that's going to remind them of the trauma, and they might also want to just even avoid talking about the trauma or thinking about it. And so by doing exposure, we can gradually get people comfortable, get them used to approaching the memory of the trauma, interacting with the world more, going out into situations that might be currently avoided. And when you do that, people typically start to feel unstuck. They really get their life back the way things were before the trauma occurred. A metaphor that I like to use is, it's kind of like, jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool or the ocean. It really is uncomfortable at first, but the longer you stick with it, you get used to it. And it's that same principle that's at work in exposure therapy. This can also be really helpful in dealing with phobias, things like fears of heights, flying, driving in certain situations. It's used when people are afraid of social situations like public speaking. And so it's a really awesome treatment, and I would love to work with people who have these fears and are looking for a way to get over it. There's hope. This can work really, really quickly, and all you have to do is just take that first step and give us a call, and we will go from there. So, hopefully, if you're dealing with something like this, you can give us a call and we will get you some help soon. Thank you very much, and have a good day.